how to create an outdoor adventure gear store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your account. So here, open a new window, then type Shopify and click on the first link you will have. Then click again on the first link, and here click on start a free trial and enter your email to start your free trial and create your account. And after creating your account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. And here, as you can see, you will see that you have 3 days free, 3 days a trial for 3 days for free. Then you can select a plan to extend your Shopify trial for just $1 per month for your first 3 months. And it's again just free. $1 a month is like saying it's free. And after you create your account, and here in your left you have these buttons who will allow you to control everything about your account or your store. So here you have the home, then you have the orders where you can check your orders, then you have the products if you want to add new products or if you want to import products for other websites. And here you have the customers. It's where you can add a new customer or import new ones from other websites. Then you have the online store. It's where you can change everything about your online store. You can change the theme, customize the theme, and everything like that. So here, let's click first on view your store to see how our store is looking like. So here, this is how our store is looking like. This is the theme we are using now. So you can change this later. I'm going to show you how. So let's close this page and let's show you how you can change the theme. So guys, when you first create your account, you will have this theme installed by default, which is down. You'll have this theme installed. For me, I changed it to Sense. I like this theme more. So I'm going to show you how you can change the themes. So here, click on visit the theme store to see all of the options that you have and choose the one that fits your requirements the most. So here we have 161 paid themes and we have just 12 free themes. So you can go with the paid ones if you have a good budget. If not, you can just filter by free. Let's filter by free, and here you will be able to see all of the free themes, and then you can also use the one that fits your requirements the most. So for example, if I liked Sense here, for example, I can just click on Sense and then scroll down, click on view demo store to check the theme first before using it. So this is how the theme is looking like. This is the buttons, the typography, the colors, the sections. So this is how the theme is looking like. And here click on try theme in order to use that theme. So here it will be added to your online store themes. So here just close the first window. We don't need it anymore. So here let's give it a few seconds to load. So here you will see the theme that you've installed in the theme library. It will not be installed immediately in your store. You will need first to click on publish it in order to have it installed on your online store. So as you can see, just added, then click on publish to publish the theme. So here let's move on to customize it. After adding the theme, click on customize in order to customize the theme. So here in this platform, guys, why I like it so much is because it's easy to customize your store in here. It doesn't require much of work. Here you can just turn this inspector on, then whatever you click on, you will be able to change it. So for example, if I've clicked on the announcement bar, I will be able to change everything about it in seconds. Also, if I click on this section, I will be able to change it. If I click on this text, I will be able to change it as well. So that's what is great about Shopify. So here let's start by changing our announcement bar. Here the color, I will leave it as it is. I like it that way. And here I'm just going to turn the auto rotate announcements on, and here I'm going to leave it in 5 seconds. Then I'm going to proceed to change the announcements. Let's change this one here to free shipping this week, and I'm going to change, remove this, I need it to be in capital letters. Free shipping this week, and then let's go back to add another announcement. Here let's go with 50% off today only, and here you will see it will be rotating every 5 seconds. That's the option that we've chosen before. And after you're done with your announcement bar, then you move on to the header. So here let's go to the theme settings in order to add our logo. So our niche is outdoor adventure gear store. So here let's explore free images. You can always create your own logo. For me, I'm just going to choose a logo in here. Accessories, watches, tech, fitness, furniture, phones. I'm going to go with nature, for example. And here, I'm going to choose this one. This is just an example, guys. You can always create your own logo. That's even better, creating your own logo with your own touch. So here I'm just showing you how you can add the logo if you want to change the width. And after that, let's place it, let's change the placement to the middle left, and that's it. So guys, it's easy to work on this platform. You will just need to click on save after you're done with the changes to save everything. So guys, I think you get the idea. That's it about today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.